Oh man, so Phantom is getting a key bounce of a critical level. It's bouncing off $1.84 mark, but is this a dead cat bounce, or does this mean we can now recover back to our all-time highs and head back towards an uptrend? We're going to explore that in this video, but as always guys, if you appreciate this content, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and collect your free money. Links are in the description. You've got Swissborg offering you up to 100 euros when you deposit 50 euros or more. You've got Coinbase waiting to give you $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell just $100 or more in crypto, and BlockFi will give you $10 in Bitcoin waiting for you when you just deposit $100 or more in crypto. So go set up your exchanges guys. You should have all of those 3 exchanges set up ready for you to buy the dips on your favorite coin, so don't miss out on those opportunities. Get those set up. Now, what is going on here in the charts? Well, you'll remember here in yesterday's video, before this green daily candle which we've got today started playing out, we were worried about this level hit at $1.94, and I made you guys aware that if we lose this level, we're having further downside potentially to $1.65. Now, fortunately, we managed to get a bit of some bullish momentum in between here to buy the dip. So we went all the way down to $1.76, and then we've seen that we've managed to get a dip back up. And today, Phantom has had a really strong day, up 16.7% at the time of recording this video, sitting at $2.15. So we've nearly made up all of the losses from yesterday, which is absolutely brilliant for Phantom. Now, remember, this is really important. When you have an altcoin crash, which happens due to Bitcoin crashing, which is what we've had, Bitcoin crashing, therefore all altcoins across the board got smashed, then we know that the ones which bounce back quickest, i.e. the ones which par back their losses the quickest, they rebound like an elastic band straight back, those are the altcoins which have the momentum. They're the ones which have the attention, and those are the ones that people know were undervalued. In other words, they were taking their wallet out and buying the dip, right? Because it was an absolute bargain. So hopefully some of you guys will benefit from that. But what I do want to explore is this a dead cat bounce? And what will need to happen to prevent this from being a dead cat bounce? Well, let's take a look first. The first thing I want you guys to be aware of is what we're seeing here from a technical perspective is nearly what is called a bullish engulfing candle, okay? A bullish engulfing candle, and you guys can Google this, is when this candle is bigger than the previous daily candle, that is, it's picked up all of the losses there and some more. I.e., in other words, yesterday's candle opened up at $2.14. If today can close above $2.14, and we have 9 hours and 42 minutes left until then, if this can close above this, then this is setting us up for a bullish pattern, because normally when you see this as an engulfing candle, what you then tend to see is a rise to the upside. So that would be a great bullish setup. But we have to be careful. If we're unable to get good enough momentum to the upside, this could just be a dead cat bounce, which in other words is when you're going down, you get a small relief and then you head straight back down, okay? But if we can get the close above this high, and if I show you on the hourly, it'll become much more clearer. If I can show you, if we can now get back above stay above this level, then all the losses from yesterday would have been recovered, and therefore it's very unlikely that we then tip back down, okay? So this is very important for us. Now, the other thing you can see here on this hourly trend is this support line. So this is the other thing giving me concern about whether we're going to see a dead cat bounce, is you can see this resistance line, which I've drawn on the hourly chart, has been respected quite well, right? So we had a bounce there, you've had a bounce there, you've had a bounce there, and now, are we going to get rejected and head back down to the downside to $1.65? So these are the levels I want to be watching out for, and these are the important levels now. If we can break above and out of this channel here on the hourly, that will then set us up to complete our bullish engulfing candle on the daily, and therefore set us up for a good movement to the upside. As always, with any altcoin, this will depend on Bitcoin, guys. I don't want you trading anything. I don't want you doing anything from a short-term basis on Phantom without understanding what is going on in Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is moving the market right now, and we need to respect that, right? But this is really good. The fact that we're getting a bullish engulfing candle at the time we're recording this is good, but we still got 9.5 hours left, right? The bears can come straight back in. It could be a dead cat bounce, and we can head back down to further low levels. So it's really important that we're able to hold this level. It's good that we've got some support in this territory here, which could bode well for us to head higher. But if we lose this level, please guys, be cognizant of the lower levels. For me, at $1.65, if we get that dead cat bounce, okay? So I'll be looking at $1.65, which is a very important level for us. And the reason that is an important level is if I zoom out, you will see that is derived from this area here, okay? Very important level. We got rejected from here, so you'd hope that we create support off there and head higher. It seems that we're trying to get support a little bit earlier than this, which is very interesting. And that's perfectly fine as well. We'll take that if it comes, but if it doesn't, then our next support will be here at $1.65, which is a very crucial level because this is where we got rejected here. Okay, so that's what we're looking at on Phantom. I will keep you guys updated as always if I see any further developments in the chart. If you appreciate that and appreciate my blend between technical and fundamental analysis, then as always, hit up the like button, guys. Subscribe. If you want to support this channel even further, there's a join button where you can become a member of this channel. You can provide a small contribution to help me continue to bring these videos to you, and more importantly, you'll get access to our community thread where you can ask me questions one-on-one on your favorite coins, on your crypto, on your portfolio, and I'll be able to answer those for you one-on-one. As always, guys, link in the pinned comment will be to our free public Discord server. That's growing fantastically, a really cool community of you guys trying to build sustainable wealth in crypto and really trying to educate yourselves and help each other out. I spend a lot of time in there as well, so head over into there, say hi, and I will see you in the next video.